Mastering Advanced Passive to Active Voice Conversion. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic: dealing with complex sentences in advanced passive to active voice conversion. The aim is to help you understand how to take a sentence in the passive voice and turn it into the active voice, even when the sentence is fairly complex. So, get ready to unlock new depths in your English language skills. Before we get into the practice, let's quickly recap what a complex sentence is. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, while a dependent clause cannot. These sentences often contain conjunctions like because, although, if, etc. They may look daunting, but with practice, you'll get the hang of them. Now, let's quickly revisit the concepts of active and passive voice. In an active voice sentence, the subject performs the action of the verb. In a passive voice sentence, the subject is acted upon by the verb. For example, active: John ate the apple. Passive: the apple was eaten by John. When converting a complex sentence from passive to active, we have to take care of each clause separately. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Identify the clauses. Break down the complex sentence into independent and dependent clauses. 2. Convert each clause. Convert each clause from passive to active separately, making sure to keep the meaning of the sentence intact. 3. Recombine the clauses. Join the clauses back together, ensuring they flow smoothly. Let's take an example. Passive: although the cake was loved by everyone, it was eaten by no one. Active: although everyone loved the cake, no one ate it. Here, we identified two clauses. The cake was loved by everyone, and it was eaten by no one. We converted each from passive to active, and then recombined them. The best way to become proficient at this is to practice. Try converting these complex sentences from passive to active. 1. While the book was being written by her, many challenges were faced. 2. When the goal was scored by him, the crowd was cheering wildly. We'll reveal the answers in the next video. Keep practicing, and you'll get better with every attempt. That wraps up our lesson on advanced passive to active voice conversion for complex sentences. We hope this was helpful and clarifies how to approach complex sentences when converting from passive to active voice. Practice is key, so don't shy away from those complex sentences. The more you practice, the better you will become. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so keep going and enjoy the process. See you in our next video where we will reveal the answers to the practice questions. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.